Well, probably since you just...
Yeah.
Say choo choo!
High five. Yeah.
Yay! This is Mason's first train ride.
Feeling pretty good. Sorry, killing the battery.
He is
1 year and a week old.
yes, 12 months and 1 week old. Mason, say hey! 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 This looks like it's going to be good entertainment for him.
Yeah, I'd lay here all day and let it go around in circles.
It'll only last 45 minutes.
I can tell.
I just gotta give a little bit of charge. You can put your feet down. Mason, hey!